we have a very nice black fedora. It's a size 59, it's a Fepsa felt again, 100% rabbit, trimmed around the brim in the self colour black and a bronze 38mm Grosgrain. The actual shape on the top there is a straightforward fold down the centre with 2 pinches, and inside we've got a 2-inch wide leather sweatband with one of our linings with the blue paisley, which is rather nice in there. The height of the crown is 11.5 centimetres and the brim is 6.5 centimetres. So it's a nice sort of regular fedora with just a little bit of flair on the colour, and that'll be up for sale shortly.